Hi, Form 5, Chapter 1, Book 2 for Chemistry. Welcome back. So now we continue to prepare an experiments and we want to study the electrolysis of molten lead bromide. 非常出名的实验 OK? Lead bromide 那去做电解法 but molten lead bromide only OK? Before we talk about our experiments, before we fill in the blank for our experiments, let's look at the experiment. 看看它的实验线 OK? So what's going to happen? 什么事情发生 Lead bromide actually is a white color powder. 它是一种白色的粉子 And we prepare lead bromide for one reason only. Because the melting point actually is quite low. 它的熔点会比较低的 Under 50 degrees Celsius 450度左右 So your Bunsen burner can melt it 本身灯就能把它熔掉 okay? So prepare lead bromide in solid forms and now prepare Bunsen burner. Heat the lead bromide strongly. 烧它 So when the lead bromide is heated, it will going to melt. So when lead bromide melt, what happens? Lead ions, bromide ion, they're going to decompose. 它们就解开 and move freely inside our container. Become the molten lead bromide 就变成了熔掉的 lead bromides or become electrolyte 能导电了 OK Now you on the switch 它一导电它一熔掉你就可以开电了 When you're on the switch positive terminal going to attract the negative ion Negative terminal attract the positive ion 对不对 So now I on the switch 开电加就拉减的离子减就拉加的离子 OK So when bromide and lead ions attracted to the cathode or maybe anodes, okay, they're going to discharge, 它们就会 discharge. So what happened? You're going to write the half equation 你就是要写 half equation 对不对 So bromide going to discharge, lost the electrons, become bromine ions, become the bromine molecule. So bromide going to lose the electron, become bromine. But bromine atom 它不 stable, it must join together with another atom to become bromine molecule, 对不对 So, another meaning, your half equation 大致上都是这样写了 Two bromide lost two electrons to become bromine molecule 就变成了 bromine 的分子 So, 一粒 bromide 丢掉一粒 electron 变成 bromine 不过 bromine 跟 bromine 一定要结合在一起变成分子它们才会 stable, 对不对 So, two bromide lost two electrons Electron pass through the circuit, so your light bulb light up 电灯泡就会亮起来 And bromine gas going to release. Bromine gas, 可可色的 gas 在这边呢会跑出来 Okay? And electron going to pass through the circuit. Electron 就会流过我们的电路 and go to the lead electrode 就会来到这是碳的 electrons. So what going to happen? 这边什么事情发生 Lead ions going to gain the electron 就会收到 electrons and finally become lead 啦Lead 的离子在这边就会收到 electron 就会变成了 lead okay? So lead going to deposit on the carbon surface 它粘在碳的表面上 So you can get the silver gray solid 灰发光的固体了这个就是我们所谓的铅来的 okay? So this is electrolysis 这就是它的电解法来的Now we watching the video and you try to feel the experiment 感觉一下那个实验到底是怎样的 okay? So lead bromide white color powder Heat the lead bromide 把它拿去烧一下 okay? Until it melt 直到它熔掉了when you melt, you on the currents, 你就开电 electric currents 这就是我们的 anode 丢掉 electron 变成了 bromine gas有 gas 的可可色的气体你自己看一下可可色的气体 bromine 来的
This is the electrolysis of molten.
block 这个就是 bromines 这边就是 lead 粘在这支碳的上面这边灰色的金属叫 lead
The left-hand electrode, the anode, atoms are changing into lead atoms. We should see a pool of silver metal as lead melts just above 300. And
OK 看到吗 叫 bromine， 这个就是我们的 lead。And bromine gas is acidic， 它酸性的 ，so that's why litmus paper turn to red color 啦，变成。
Electrodes here, hoping to see some shine, some sign.
So lead bromide become lead and bromine. This is our experiments. So now fill in the blank a bit. 我们填一点东西一下，小事来的。Okay. So what is the effect of electrolysis on the molten lead bromides? What is the effect of the electrolysis on the molten lead bromide? 把溶掉的 lead bromide 拿去做电解法，还有什么 effect 呢 ？Okay. So 你会看到什么情况呢 ？What are the product? 你会拿到什么东西呢？ So hypothesis, anode going to get what? Anode going to get bromine. Now cathode will be lead atom, 对不对？就会 lead 的金属粘着啦。Okay. So if bromide ion are discharged at the anodes, bromine gas will be released. Or another meaning, anode going to get bromine gas. 这个 hypothesis 不重要的 ，OK， 通常没有用到的。But I know anode going to get the bromine gas. Anode 就会收到 bromine gas， 就会放 bromine gas 出来。About cathodes, lead ion going to discharge and become the lead. Lead 的离子 discharge 变成了 lead. So lead ion discharge at the cathode. Lead metal will be deposited. Lead 呢就粘在表面上。Next, manipulated variable 操纵性变数。So today, what is manipulated variable? I prepare lead bromides. So I prepare different anion, different cation. 我准备加跟减的离子不一样咯。Okay, 得到 anion and cations, meaning 就是 lead 跟 bromide 两种了。Responding variable, I want to know what? 我要知道什么东西呢 ？Product at the electrode. Electrode 拿到的 product 是什么？我的 electrolysis product 电解法拿到的 product 是什么 ？Fixed variable 固定性变数。In this experiment, what must be fixed? Electric current 啊，你用的电流，对不对？ So the quantity of the current and the time 还有你的时间哦 ，so 不是很重要的变数来的啦。So how is your observation？ 你的观察是什么呢 ？Anode, what is your observation at the anode? Brown color gas release， 可可色的 gas 放出来。So bronze and brown color gas are changed and that change the damaged blue litmus paper to red is evolved。一种可可色的气体，味道很浓的。 OK， 会把蓝色的石蕊试纸呢变成红色，这种 gas 叫 bromine 呢。But don't talk about bromine 呢。如果你观察，你不知道它是 bromine， 你知道它可可色罢了，不要提起 bromine 的字。Cathode silver gray 发光的灰了 ，silver gray shiny gray。OK，metal is deposited 发光的灰色的金属粘。Next， OK， 再来。 When heated to the molten stage, lead 2 ion and bromide ion are free to move. OK， 当你烧给它溶的时候 ，lead ion, bromide ion, they free to move， 它们跑来跑去了。So lead bromide 被你烧过后 ，become lead ion and bromide ion 啊，它变成 lead 的离子加 bromide 的离子，哎，解脱了。哎，不是这个了，上面。So lead bromide 被烧过后 ，it become the lead ion 一个。 加2个的 bromide ions， 然后在你的杯里面，在你的碗里面跑来跑去。And when you on the switch, okay, when you on the switch, anode cathode going to attract the anion and cation， 对不对？它们都各自拉到它们的离子。And the ion going to discharge， 那些离子呢就会 discharge。bromide discharge 变成 bromine，lead ion 变成了 lead 啦。So bromide lost electron become bromine。But bromine atoms join together become the bromine molecule. Okay, so the whole equation here， 这边整个事情啊 ，actually we normally write in this way， 我们通常就这样写不了。2 bromide lost 2 electrons to become bromine gas。我们一起了，2粒的 bromide 一起丢掉2粒的 electron， 粘起来变成 bromine gas， 不是更快更美吗 ？Okay, next. At the cathode， 在 cathode 那边 lead ion discharge，so lead gain the electrons， 它收到2粒的 electron become the lead atom 啦。So lead ion gain the electron become the lead， 就变成了 lead。So this is our experiment， 我们的实验。Okay。And let's turn to page number 15， 转去第15面 ，we fill in the blanks。 我们填一下这个 experiment 的细节 ，It's normal 啦，你应该会填了的。OK， copy from the textbook， 我抄你的 textbook 的了。Molten lead bromide. So what are the ion in the molten lead bromides? Lead ion, bromide ion 两种的离子 ，lead ion, bromide ion 两种的离子。On the switch， 当你开电的时候 ，ion that move to the anode， 谁会跑去 anode 丢 electron 呢？谁会不见 electron 呢 ？Bromide。OK，bromide。Ion that attracted to the cathode， 谁会跑去 cathode 然后收 electron 呢 ？cathode 就是收 electron， 谁去收 electron 呢 ？lead ion。lead 的离子 ，Have equations. So bromide 做什么 ？Two bromide lost two electron. Two bromide lost two electron to become bromine. Electron flow through the wire. Electron 流过来，对不对 ？And gained by lead ion. Lead ion 拿走，变成了 lead. Observation: brown color gas, pungent smell. Brown gas is released. 这边就是 shiny gray, silvery gray.Gray solid is formed. Why the answer is different? Shiny gray, silver gray, 因为每个人的眼睛不一样。Okay, name the product from bromine gas. 这边是 lead 啊。Explanation on how the product is formed at the anode. 解释一下为什么 anode 会拿到 bromine 呢？因为 bromide lost electron 它 oxidize， 然后变成了 bromine 啊。So two bromide ion release two electron to form the bromine molecule， 就是 half equation 的东西来的。Why you get the lead？ 为什么你在这边会拿到 lead 呢 ？Lead ion gain the electron to become the lead。So lead ion receive two electron to form the lead 呢，它收到 electron 变成了 anode。anode 发生什么 reaction 呢 ？anode 永远都叫 oxidation，cathode 就是 reduction。So this is what happened。会很难吗？不会啊。So after this, we're having some past year， 我们有past year可以做的，针对这一题的 molten lead bromide 的past year。OK， so copy the question under your page number 15， 把你的问题呢抄在第15面的下面。OK， so where's the question? Copy. Set. OK, see you in the next video. We talk about the question. 我们看看考试讲考，拜拜。